I'm making a video so you can see and hear how this wonderful vintage Reuge double singing bird cage operates. The bird feathers are just like new. So the bottom bird has a yellow feather scheme, and the top bird has a dark blue and light blue feather scheme with some nice iridescent nature. I'll try to get the light angle so you can see the darker blues reflect. There we go. So with your hummingbird feathers, or any feathers that have an iridescent sheen, they present themselves differently depending upon your viewing angle and the light source. Wonderful cosmetic condition. Let's start off on the pause feature. That's the first position. All singing bird cages will have 3 settings: off, pause, and on. And the pause feature is an important test to measure the integrity of the bellows and the condition of the overall mechanical movement. Most singing bird cages do not work as they should because they haven't been serviced in decades. Wait for one more pause. I'm going to switch to continuous. The birds animate perfectly, and they sing perfectly, hitting all the proper oscillating notes, yet the mechanism runs smoothly and quietly. Get the top bird. And I'm going to turn this off. And that's just the air escaping from the whistle when I turned it off. So in summary, a vintage Reuge double singing bird cage in outstanding cosmetic and mechanical condition. Take care.